Hey, already decided on a movie we're gonna watch on movie night?
No, I already had a look on Netflix, but it always suggests the same kind of movies. What do you wanna watch?
Same. We could use this new app I found. It's called MoWe. MoWe helps you to find the right movies much quicker, either alone or in a group, and to exchange movie recommendations with your friends. Just download it and let me show it to you. So that's the app. As soon as you're logged in, you can use the movie finder. Here, you can search for a specific movie that may already be on your mind. For example, you heard of a movie recommendation and you don't want to forget about it. Then you type the title of the movie you heard. You search for it. And then you just add it to your personal watch list. However, if you don't have a movie on your mind and you would like to get suggestions for movies instead, you can go ahead by clicking on this arrow here. Movie will now guide you through a questionnaire to help you find a movie that suits your current preference. At first, you're asked to select the genres you feel like watching. Here, you're giving a great variety of up to 14 genres ranging from romance to action or horror movies. If you don't wish to choose a specific genre, just skip the question. Next, you get the chance to select the decade in which you wish the movie to have been released. The next question concerns the movie's runtimes. This is particularly interesting if you, for example, feel like you should go to bed early and only have 1 hour and a half time. Lastly, you get to choose the original languages you like. Once you're done with these simple questions, the top 10 movies fitting your given answers are presented to you. I think this movie looks nice, so I add it to my personal watch list by simply clicking on this plus button. In my personal watch list, all the movies I'm interested in or I want to recommend to friends will be saved. By clicking on one of the movies in my watch list, I am presented with a short summary about the movie, its exact release year, the genres it belongs to, its length, and also a rating which indicates to you how this movie was rated by others. Now, if you have a movie in your watch list that you really like and that you would love to recommend to some of your friends, just go to the WeWatch page. Here, you can create a new group and add movies from your watch list to it. I just go ahead and quickly create a group for our movie night. For every watch group, a unique ID is created by the app. With this ID, you can now join the group I just created.
That sounds nice. Let me try it out.
Now let's add some movies to our Friday night group. These are all the movies that are in my watch list. By clicking on a movie, this movie gets then added to our group. Now you can see the movies I recommended to you, and in return, I can see the movies you recommended to me. This way, we have got a quite nice selection of movies prepared for a movie night. And in the case we are overwhelmed by the amount of movies we added to our group, we can get a random movie suggested to us generated out of the movies in our group. This will speed up the time to pick a movie, and I bet we will love the suggested movie.
Well, that seems like a great help for our upcoming movie night.